เดไรอ๋อไม่ได้ยินเปิดไม้ด้วยเปิดสิแบร์แบร์โอเคเข้าใจแล้วแบร์
เอากับการลากลงลากออกลากขึ้นเลย
แบร์อ๋อ
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hello.
morning
It's Monday, so it's time for our mathematics class. And today is our last mathematics class. But
Yeah.
I have something to tell you today. Today I have a toothache, so this part is hurting, so it might be hard for me to speak more. So I might speak quite a little bit quieter or softer because this part is swollen because my wisdom teeth is hurting right now. All right, let's get started. For today's class, it's about the revision for our tomorrow evaluation. All right. We are going to review 3 units today for mathematics class. But the same as always, let's review the small talk before we start. Let's wait for my computer a bit. All right, let's get started with the small talk. The first one. May I have your phone number? May I have your phone number? Sure, my phone number is ... Sure, my phone number is ... Next one. What is the name of your school? What is the name of your school? You can answer by saying there are many ways to answer, but this is the example. The name of my school is Very good. Next question. What grade are you in? What grade are you in? I am in grade 2, section 2 or 2/2. Good job. Next question. How many students are there in your classroom? How many students are there in your classroom? There are 33 students in my classroom. Very good. Next question. Who is your homeroom teacher? My homeroom teacher is teacher Patravadi. Very good. My homeroom teacher is teacher Patravadi. Next question. Who is your IEP teacher? My IEP teacher is teacher Peach. Very good. Next question. Who is your school director? Who is your school director? My school director is Sister Bunsom. Very good. Next question. Who is your close friend at the school? Who is your close friend at the school? My close friend is, for example, my close friend is Jenny. My close friend is Jenny. Next one. Who is your favorite? Sorry, what is your favorite subject? What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is
Oh, very good. What about everyone? Art. Very good. For example, my favorite subject is mathematics. My favorite subject is art. It can be any subject. Next question. What time do you arrive school? I arrive school at 7 o'clock. Very good. Next question. What time do you leave school? I leave school at
o'clock.
4 o'clock. Very good. Next question. How do you get to school? I get to school by bus. Very good. How do you get to school? I get to school by train. Very good. How do you get to school? By van. Very good. How do you get to school? I get to school by car. Very good. Next question. How do you get to school? I get to school on foot. On food. On food. Next question. What is the next subject to study? The next subject is mathematics. Very good. Next one. What did you study in the previous class? In the previous class, I studied English. Very good. Now, let's move to our revision from Unit 4 to Unit 6. Unit 4 to Unit 6. But before we start, I will have to say that I have a toothache, so I might not speak as much as I did before, and I might speak quite quietly. All right. Unit 4, addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. All right. We have two types of addition, with regrouping and without regrouping. All right. The first one. Let's look at the one for with regrouping. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 is 13. 5 plus 5 is 10, and we have 1 here, so it's 11. They are called regrouping. Next, 1 plus 1 is 2. So the result is 213. Very good. Next one, without regrouping. 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. 1 plus 3 is 4. And 2 plus 4 is 6. We don't have regrouping here. And the result is 647. Very good. Now let's look at the horizontal method. 8 plus 3 is
เราไปอีก3เร็วๆเลย8แล้วก็9 10 11ใช่ไหมใส่ลงโพส1
S plus 3 is 11. 5 plus 7 is
7 บวก 5 ได้เท่าไหร่
12.
12 บวก 1 เป็น 14
Plus 1 is 13. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 1 is
4แล้วก็บวกอีก2ได้6
7. So the result is 731. 731. Next, without regrouping. 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 3 is 8. And 3 plus 4 is 7. So the result is 782. Very good. Next, let's learn about the subtraction. Now, we need one word for subtraction. Borrow. Addition, regroup, subtraction, borrow. And let's look at the borrowing first. 4 is less than 8, so we need to borrow from 2. It becomes 14 minus 8 is 6. And 11 minus 8 is 3. 7 becomes 6 minus 1 is 5. So the result is 536. Very good. Next one, without borrowing. All right. 6 minus 5 is 1. 7 minus 0 is 7. 8 minus 7 is
เป็น1เหลือ
1. So the result is 100. 71. Very good. Next one, the horizontal method with borrowing. 5 is less than 8. So it becomes 15 minus 8. And the result is 7. 5 becomes 4. Minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 1 is
ลบหนึ่งอยู่6ลบ1เท่าไหร่
5. Very good. So the result is 527. Very good. Now without borrowing, easier this time. 8 minus 3 is 5. 6 minus 2 is 4. And 4 minus 3 is 1. Very good. And the result is 145. Very good. 145. And if someone tell you this word, please read this number sentence. You have to read this number sentence to them. You have to say 435 minus 180 equals 255. This is what you have to say. Next one, 523 plus 267 equals 790.
ไปลุ่มมามันไม่มีมารยาท
Next question. What is the sum of this number sentence? It is 624. Very good. It is 624. What is the difference between 579 and 183? It is 396. Very good. Now let's move to unit 5. We are learning about the weight. This is called weighing scale. This is called the plate, the hand, and the scale. Plate, hand, and scale. This is called large weighing scale and small weighing scale. Now, on the scale, we can see kilogram, gram, and kg. 1 kg is 100 gram. 1 kg is 100 gram. 1,000 gram is 1 kilogram, and 10 kg is 1 kilogram. All right, don't forget this. Next one. The dog is lighter, as heavy as, or heavier. The dog is lighter than the crocodile. The dog is lighter than the crocodile. What about this one? The bag is heavier than the eraser. The bag is heavier than the eraser. And now the apple is as heavy as the apple. As heavy as. Now tell me, The apple weight 4 kilogram. Very good. The frog is 2 kilogram. Very good. The bird is 2,500 gram. Very good. Next one. Now you're looking at the key. The cupcake weight 15 keys. Very good. How much does a rat weigh? A rat weight 8 keys. A rat weighs 8 keys. Next, how much does a cat weigh? A cat weighs 3 kilogram. Very good. Which one is lighter and heavier? The dog is heavier or lighter? Heavier or lighter? The dog is heavier. The dog is heavier, but the apple is lighter. The apple is lighter. What about the pig and the bee? The pig is heavier. The bee is lighter. The bee is lighter. Very good. Now let's move to unit 6 very quickly. Multiplication of 1 and 2 digits numbers. Let's look at the 1 digits number first. This is the table of multiplication. Table of multiplication. We read this one like this. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. This one is called times. All right. Let's get started. 3 times 3 is 9. Good job. Next one. What is the result of 4 times 4?
16.
It's 16. Very good. What is the result of 5 times 5?
25.
25. Very good. 3 times 5. 15. Good job. Now let's look at the 2 digits number with vertical method. 1 times 4 is
4 คูณ1ได้4
4. 2 times 4 is 8. So the result is 84. Good job. Next one. Horizontal method. 1 times 4 is 4. And 4 times 2 is 8. Good job. Next one. 5 times 1 is
5 คูณ1ได้เท่าไหร่
5. 4 times 1 is 4 times 1 is 4. Good job. Next, without regroup, vertical method. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Good job. Now, horizontal method. 3 times 3.
3 นี่ดูแม่3
3 times 3 is 9. And 3 times 3 again is
3 ได้เท่าไหร่
9. So the result is 99. Very good.
เรียนเนี่ยฟัง
Next
ก่อน
with
จะไปห่วงอะไรอย่างอื่น
regroup
ดูไหม
5 times 7 is
ใครนี่
ใช่
ดูเนี่ยแม่ชี้ให้ดู
35. We put number 3 here on the 10th column.
สามแล้วเท่าไหร่
3 times 7 is
21บวก3เป็นเท่าไหร่
21 plus 3 is 24. Good job. Now let's try horizontal method. 2 times 6 is
เท่าไหร่
12. 2 times 6 is 12. 5 times 6 is
30แล้วบวกอีก1เร็ว
30 plus 1 is 30.
31
Very good. It's 312.
ไม่ดูจะลด
Next one.
ได้นี่ลูก
Vertical method. 6
อ้าว
times
หกห้า
5 is
อะไรนี่ไงชี้ให้ดู
6 times 5 is
ได้ไง6 5 30ก็เป็น
30. We put number 3 on the tens. 5 times 5 is 25 plus 3. It's 28. 28. Now let's try the horizontal method. 8 times 8
ดู
is
แม่8
อร่อยมาก
8 times 8 is
64
64. 4 times 8 is
84เท่าไหร่32
32
พูดภาษาอังกฤษสิ
plus 6.
ดูนี่แล้วก็บวกอีกเท่าไหร่บวกอีก6เป็นเท่าไหร่
What is the result?
38ไง38
38. Very good. 38. So the result is 384. 384. Now, if someone say, please read this number sentence, you have to read this one by saying 22 times 1 equals 22, for example, or 3 times 2 equals 6. But if the question is what is the product of 2 times 3, you have to say the product of 2 times 3 is 6. What is the product of 20 times 5? It is 100. Very good. Now let's review our lesson by playing game. Which one is lighter? Lighter?
บอกกับโนนะ
Pencil. Very good. Which one is heavier? Heavier. This one.
ดูเนี่ยยังไม่ดูเลยเฮบี้อื่นแปลว่าอะไร
Football. Next one. Which one is heavier? Milk or sandwich? It's the milk. Very good. Which one is heavier? Football or whistle? Football. Very good. Let's move to the next one. What is the result of 327 plus 173? What is the answer? 500. Very good. Next one. What is the result of 238 plus 456? What is it? 694 is correct. Next one. 425 minus 156. What is the result?
ตอบเท่าไหร่
What is the result?
269
269
269 is the correct answer. Very good skill. Next one. 349 minus 176.
173
173. Very good, everyone. Next one. 5 times 5. 25. Very good. 6 times 7. 42. Next one. 3 times 3. 9. Very good. Next one. 4 times 5.
พอแล้ว
20. Very good. Next one. 2 times 8. 16. Very good. Next one. 9 times 3.
27
27. Very good. Next one. 12 plus 3. Oh, sorry. 12 times 3. 36. Good job. Next one. 23 times 4. 92. Good job. Next one. 18 times 4. 18 times 4. 72 is correct. Good job. Next one. 16 times 5. 41. Not correct. It's 80. Very good. Next question. 13 times 4. 62. 52. That is correct. 52, not 52. 52. Next one. 45 times 2. 45 times 2 is 90. Very good. That is it for today, everyone. We will have to take 3 topics for mathematics. Don't forget addition, weight, and multiplication. That is what we are going to have to taste for 10 questions. 10 questions for mathematics. All right. And I think our evaluation for IEP will be on Wednesday next week, I think. Do you have any questions? No questions? No question. Then I will see you guys tomorrow. All right. Have a good day. Bye bye. I will go take some medicine with my toothache. Bye.